How much does an ID earn from each renovation?
Wow.
I will think about what to say.
Well, this one I say out, then later everyone gonna kill me or what? Hi, I'm Ivan from Aart Boxx Interior.
Hi, I'm Agnes from Ascent Design, and I'm here to answer some of your questions on Instagram.
What do IDs study in school? Any difference between IDs who studied ID versus those who didn't? For a start, those ID that studied before, they actually portray a better image, present better to clients as well. Their designs are also slightly much better.
For people who studied ID, I think it's good for them to equip with the skills. So all the AutoCAD skills and all the 3D modeling skills. So I feel like those who didn't went to study, experience is really something that's very important as well in this industry. With all the experience that they have done, the portfolio that they did, I feel like studying is not a necessity. So what is one thing you think all clients should do before meeting their ID?
Definitely to bring the floor plan. And if they have some reference photos, can also show us so that we have a clearer picture of what they want.
So I think all homeowners should really do their homework before meeting their interior designer. So understanding what you're going to have in the house, your requirements. Of course, the material, color palette and concept really does help the interior designer lock down what they're going to plan for you.
From your perspective, what are some ID red flags to look out for?
Number one, I think if your meeting falls short under 30 minutes, I feel like it's not going to be enough for them to understand your lifestyle.
To take note not to pay more than what you are supposed to pay. You shouldn't be paying like 80% or 90% when you haven't seen anything yet.
Number two, I feel like probably when they're getting too pushy with the ideas, selling you cookie cutter ideas right on the spot.
So what is the most challenging project? Is for my own home. We took a while to plan to make sure that we have a design that is aesthetic as well as practicality. Also took some time to look at the place, also to incorporate what my wife likes into the home. Happy wife, happy life.
So one of the most challenging project we did was to transform a 3-bedroom HDB resale flat into like a home cooked bar where a personal chef actually wants to have a space that holds up to 10 people. And I think that was something that was a little bit challenging due to the space restraint, but I feel like we were really satisfied with it. So how much does an ID earn from each renovation?
Wow.
I will think about what to say.
Well, this one I say out, then later everyone gonna kill me or what?
I think it really ranges. I mean, there are design firms that actually charge up. They earn up to 10% to 30%. If a designer is fairly new and they don't charge designer fee, they earn much lesser. So I think experience and everything comes with it as well.
I'm not sure about others. For our side, it doesn't matter if it's a senior or junior. We actually quote around the same price.
What's a pet peeve you all have about customers? Definitely a design control is one of our pet peeves. If you were to come to us and knowing everything that you really want to do and then specifically, and we don't have really much free play, I think that kind of takes that away from us.
Just now I talked about reference photos, but they come with a lot of reference photos that is totally all of different trends.
I think because the second pet peeve that we have, I think, is clients expecting us to reply all the time. Even in the middle of the night, they expect a direct reply within the 1 hour or so. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have all your questions answered today, and we'll see you guys again.
Thanks for watching. Bye.